I'm Ross. If you're studying for your CCNA, you can't beat Cisco CML. But CML is not for simulating real enterprise, worldwide networks, unless you're an all Cisco shop. Never seen a network sim tool? No problem. Watch this short clip. Here's a sim tool of 1,000 network devices on the left, all inside a single VM running Windows. It takes hours to build the simulation, but months and months and hundreds of thousands of dollars to build this with actual devices. On the right is a discovery of the 1,000 simulated devices by a third-party network management tool.
Take a look at our agenda. This is what is coming. If you like where this video is headed, well, subscribe now and sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, you might ask, why use a network simulation tool? Well, network upgrades and changes happen all the time, and you don't want to test them on your production network. Tools like Mimic, not free but good, and the 3 free ones will let you simulate networks on virtual machines, test changes, and making it safe to test and troubleshoot without risking downtime. Having a network management tool pointed at the simulation while testing upgrades and changes also helps identify mistakes. These tools help identify bottlenecks in traffic and perform root cause analysis.
These tools are run in a lab and cheaper and faster to get up and running to simulate your network. And they use the same protocols as your production network. You can even do network captures in production and then load that in your simulation to repeat problems you may have in production. Testing, practice of upgrades, and replays of problems in a lab are all part of what these tools support.
Few enterprise networks are all Cisco, so for realistic simulation, you need vendor-agnostic tools. We'll look at 3 free options that support major network gear in addition to Cisco.
We'll show you a comparison chart and then slice and dice it and deep dive with our recommendation. Here we go.
Here's a quick comparison. If you don't have Linux resources, NS3 is your only option on Windows. If you want a GUI, Containerlab isn't an option. Protocol support for Containerlab is limited, and it has no PCAP import capability, so that's 3 strikes and Containerlab is out. That leaves NS3, and Eve NG. Our recommendation? If you have Linux resources, Eve NG scales better for larger simulations. Without Linux help, you should stick with NS3.
So, we have 2 products to choose from based upon your availability of Linux resources. Let's look at both websites.
Let's start with NS3. You can log in and create projects, but that's not required to evaluate it. Downloads are available for Mac, Linux, and Windows. Documentation is thorough, with a step-by-step install instruction and video guides. There's even a YouTube channel with almost 900 videos. NS3 earns high marks for documentation, though as freeware it offers no real-time vendor support. For Eve NG, the community version is free with no tech support, or professional is $120 per year with email tech support. It installs on bare metal or virtual machines and also includes Docker. Documentation and video guides cover setup and features, making it easy to get up and running.
There you have it. We recommend use of Eve NG or GNS3 depending upon your ability to support Linux for Eve NG and how large your network simulation is. GNS3 is not as scalable. If you like our content, please subscribe and share our link with others. Until next time.